बरसात भी आकर चली गई, अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे।
Hi everyone, I am Divya and welcome back to Tegonity Studio. Are you ready to take your karaoke sessions, public speaking, or even your live performance to the next level? Today I have got something special for you, the Claw Alap wired karaoke microphone. Whether you are belting out your favorite tunes or delivering an important speech, this microphone promises to be your go-to audio companion. So let's dive in. First thing first, let us unbox this beauty and we'll find out what is in the box. This box contains one microphone, one 5 meters XLR 3-pin female to 6.35 mm jack male, one black pouch, and one user manual. Everything you need to start singing or speaking right away is included, perfect for both beginners and pros alike. Now let us break down what makes the Claw Alap stand out. This mic is designed for karaoke with a cardioid pattern that enhances gains and reduces the feedback. It is perfect for noisy environments like live events, presentations, weddings, and even church gatherings. With a frequency range of 80 Hz to 15 kHz, this mic delivers clear and powerful sound, whether you are speaking or playing instruments like an acoustic guitar. The heart of this microphone is its precision engineered capsule with a sensitivity of 53 plus or minus 2 dBs. It captures vocals accurately and works seamlessly with the various audio gears thanks to its 600 ohms plus and minus 30% output impedance. Plus, this mic comes with a 5 meters XLR 3-pin female to 6.35 mm jack male cable, allowing you to plug directly into an amplifier, speaker, or karaoke machine. The cable is shielded with a 2-tier PVC coating for excellent sound transmission and no loss in quality. The microphone's sleek design with a silver finish adds a touch of sophistication to your performance. It is built to last with a durable material construction and features a built-in pop filter to minimize plosives. Plus, the external on and off switch gives you an ease of control over your audio. So let us see Claw Alap in action. Whether you are singing your heart out in a karaoke session or delivering a powerful speech, this microphone excels in every situation. It is simple to use, just plug it into your audio system using the included cables and you are good to go. The cardioid pickup pattern ensures your voice is captured clearly even in noisy environment, while the built-in pop filter reduces the unwanted noises and plosives. And with its comfortable size and shape, it feels great in your hand, making it ideal for extended performance and your speeches.
बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए। बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए, पर उसकी एक झलक को हम ऐ हुस्न के मालिक तरस गए। कब प्यास बुझेगी आँखों की, दिन रात ये दुखड़ा रहता है, मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा रहता है, मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। जितना तड़पाएगी मुझको उतना ही तड़पेगी तू भी, जो आज है आरज़ू मेरी वो कल तेरी आरज़ू होगी। ये झूठ नहीं सच है सनम, सनम।
So there you have it, the Claw Alap wired karaoke microphone, your new best friend for your all audio things. With its excellent sound quality, durable build and thoughtful features, it is a must-have for karaoke enthusiasts, public speakers and even anyone who needs reliable audio equipment. So if you enjoyed this review video and found it helpful, then make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews and tips on audio gears and other gears too. And if you are ready to make this Claw Alap your own, you can purchase this Claw Alap wired karaoke microphone using the link provided in the description section. Do not wait, grab yours today and elevate your audio experience.